Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta. If you're new here, you're welcome to my channel, but if you've been watching my past videos, you are welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be using a new foundation, and it is from Juvia's Place. This is what it looks like. I already took them out of the packaging because I already filmed this look yesterday and accidentally deleted it, so I had to film this whole video again. So that is why you can see it's already out of the packaging, because I've already threw the packaging, the box that it came in. So this is what it looks like, and that is the foundation. This foundation is really full coverage, so that's what it looks like. It is 1 ounce 30 ml, which is a very good size. And then I have the foundation stick as well, which I'm not going to be using that in this tutorial because I don't use foundation sticks, but I just bought it to kind of use it as a contour. So this is a darker shade that I'm going to be using to contour. And then I got the concealer. So I am really happy about this concealer as well. It has a very nice shape. The applicator is really huge, and this concealer is so good, so good. So as you guys can see, I already used it, so they're good and I like them. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial and using these products, as you can see, and I'm gonna be doing a very simple look today, kind of like a very neutral look, a neutral eye look, neutral lips, neutral everything. And we're gonna be using this foundation to achieve a flawless look. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and watch till the end. Alright guys, so I have already done my eyebrows off camera, and now I am gonna focus on the eyes. So as you guys can see, I am using this orangey brown color, and I'm going to be using that as my transition color and blend that onto my eyes. So I'm taking a tapered brush now, and I'm using this dark brown eyeshadow, and I am going to focus that on my crease area. I'm also kind of bringing it down on the corners of my eyes as well. So I'm taking a tapered brush now, no, a dense brush. I'm taking a dense brush now, and I am going to focus that at the corners of my eyes. And now I am taking this champagne eyeshadow, and I am going to apply that all over my lid. So I'm taking my tapered brush again, and I am going to blend that in so it can be seamless, because we don't want no harsh lines. I'm using a little bit of the brown shade and blend that in. So I'm taking the dense brush again, and I am going to blend the corners of my eyes into the champagne color. So I'm using my mascara and kind of coating my lashes. Even though we don't have lashes, we're just gonna coat whatever we have, okay? So now I am applying my lashes. So I'm taking that brown shade and kind of putting that under my eyes, on my bottom lashes, smoking out my bottom lashes. Taking that champagne color again, I am going to put that on my tear dot area. Alright, so I'm taking my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer now, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. So I'm gonna leave that on for about a minute before I apply my foundation. Now it's time for foundation. So I'm gonna take that and put it on my brush, on my sponge, because I usually use a sponge to apply my foundation. Distribute it on my face and blend, blend, blend. This foundation is really full coverage. It did cover the dark spots that I had. I have a little bit of dark spots now, so it did cover it. So I'm going to focus that on my face, my ears, and my neck. Make sure you are blending your foundation down your neck as well, guys. So I applied a little too much on the foundation, so that's why I'm taking the brush to kind of tone it down. Now it's time for concealer. I am applying my concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. So this concealer is a little too close to my skin tone, so we're going to be using another concealer, a lighter concealer, which is the Maybelline concealer, and dot that around just so the highlight can pop a little. And now I am going to go ahead and blend that. So as I'm blending, I am also using the other end of the sponge that I used to apply my foundation and kind of blend everything together seamlessly. So now I'm using my Shasha Buttercup powder and I'm going to apply that everywhere I just applied concealer. So I'm taking a powder brush and I'm just dapping that excess powder away. Now I'm taking my all over face powder and I'm going to apply that all over my face, and I'm going to go ahead and contour as well. So I'm taking my Shasha Buttercup again and I am going to define my contour line a little bit. That looks better. So now I'm taking my Juvias Place highlighter and I am going to put on a little bit of highlight, not too much, just a little bit, okay? I'm gonna put some highlight on my nose as well, my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. So now I am spraying my face with my NYX spray, and I'm gonna take my little fan and dry that. This fan is amazing, guys. If you don't have this, you need to get it because this literally dry my face within seconds. So I forgot to apply contour on my nose, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that very lightly. And now we are done with that. Putting on a little bit of more spray. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips now. And then we apply some lip gloss. So I'm also applying a little bit of highlight on my cupid's bow area, and that will be it for this makeup look. Very simple. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I am really happy. This foundation is super full coverage. I love it. It looks so good on my skin. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me your comment down below if you have any. Yeah, until I see you in my next video. Bye.